Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you the real rundown on the KOORUI 27-inch gaming monitor, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. This thing is a beast for anyone who loves to game or stream. The standout reason I need this in my life is its insane 320Hz refresh rate. Think of that like 4 times as many frames per second than your average monitor. It makes everything feel super smooth and responsive, perfect for fast-paced games like FPS or racing. Imagine being able to dominate every match without any lag or ghosting. That's what this monitor delivers. And it does so with crystal clear visuals, thanks to its QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution and advanced fast IPS panel. That means incredibly vivid colors and a super wide viewing angle. But it gets even better. This KOORUI monitor supports 98% DCI-P3 for cinema quality color and HDR 400 for deeper blacks and more dynamic range. That's like having your own home theater in the comfort of your gaming setup. Now, let me tell you what it's like to use this thing day to day. I set up my gaming station at home, plug it in, and start playing. The ergonomic stand is so adjustable that I can play for hours without any discomfort, plus, it's got swivel, tilt, and pivot for ultimate flexibility. If you're an avid gamer or streamer who demands the best visuals, sound, and ergonomics, this monitor is perfect for you. Whether you're playing solo or with friends online, this KOORUI 27-inch gaming monitor is a game changer. Want to get your hands on one? Click that link below to check out the best price.